2023 CJ-7 4.2. It's being rebuilt. It has about 5,000 miles on it. A new battery, all new red top, dual electric fans, MSD ignition, coil, and MSD box with all the corresponding stickers. CARB legal for California. Sticker for the Howell Fuel Injection system, which this car is equipped with. That's the Howell Fuel Injection. We got a new Magnaflow cylinder, new expansion tank, nice little horn. It's got the single belt, circular belt conversion, so you don't have to run wires. Nice and clean underneath. We have great oil pressure. It's about 40 pounds or so at idle. We have two auxiliary gauges here, one for the temperature, one for the fuel. There's your MSD box. Nice little vintage odometer tag installed on the column. They had the steering wheel wrapped in leather. It's also great. Dash is literally new. Seats look good. Got new red belts installed as well. Interior's being lined with truck bed liner. Looks good. Got new shift boots, bolt controllers, new belts, new stereo. These are waterproof, mostly marine grade. Speakers. Got two new speakers here, and we have Kenwood, also marine waterproof units installed. Original center console, original doors, good shape, no rust. Both sides. Let's take a look at the other door. There we go. We got a Tuffy glove box with the key. As well as new seat belts in the rear. Just put a new best stop bikini top on it. Looks great. Let's turn it off so we can hear better. Oh, it does really nice. Turn it off. Now we have a button here. This is the harness or switch button for the fog lights for the KCs, which are here with chrome housing. Also installed a nice rough country 9,500 pound winch. And a new backing plate. Looks great. New headlights as well. Also noted here the little hood lock, so they can open it without a key. Underneath it looks nice and clean. No leaks. Dry oil pan. Everything looks good. Let's see if we can close this up. One hand. It's got this little cool hood louvers that the previous owner put in. Good light looks. This can be removed. This comes off, but the other side does have a lock, so you can't steal it. Here, it just spins around unless you unlock it. Original paint. Looks nice. It does have some chips and some metal scars, but that looks good on this Jeep, I think. It's still the original decals on the side. There's no rust. Solid here. So changed the seal earlier. tail lights, which I like better than the original ones, but each to his own. Now the turn signals are also incorporated in that light, so it does have turn signals. And this is going to be your reverse light, which is much brighter than the original one found on the square tail lights. Nice little cheeky spare tire cover, but it does have the same 33-inch tires with the Mickey Thompson wheels. These Falcons are brand new, less than 500 miles on it. I like these little things here. These are 33 by 12.5 on 15, so 15-inch Mickey Thompsons. Frame's been painted, looks good, clean. Floors are original, but there's no rust. And again, this side looks good, all here, all good. Runs and drives good. No problem with the startup. It does have Borla headers and Magnaflow muffler, and catalytic converter has been changed, so no issues with the smog. Nice little chrome exhaust tip, as well as we have a nice little tow bar here, so you can tow a jet ski or a little boat or whatever you have. Nice and clean. The winch is wired up, it's functional, and it does come with the remote, which is in the center console. And that's it.